Sudhiti Naman and a very pleasant morning to all students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Yesterday you have completed your chapter 5 and now it's time to complete the exercises in the book. Your first exercise, find sentences from the passage to correct the following false statement. One has been done for you. In this exercise, there are some statements and these are false. यहाँ पर कुछ स्टेटमेंट्स दिए गए हैं जो कि गलत हैं और उन स्टेटमेंट को आपको बुक में से सेंटेंस फाइंड आउट करके उनको ये प्रूव करना है कि ये क्यों गलत हैं. ओके, द एग्ज़ाम्पल इज़ लकपा वाज अ लेज़ी गर्ल. लकपा एक लेज़ी गर्ल थी. इट इज़ रॉन्ग बिकॉज ईच डे शी क्लाइम्ब द पथवे अप द माउंटेन टू ग्रेज अ हर्ड ऑफ याक्स. क्योंकि वो पर डे अपने याक्स के झुंड को चराने के लिए माउंटेन पथ पर ले जाया करती थी. सो this is the wrong statement that Lakpa was a lazy girl. In this way, we will find out the statement to prove these false statement. Okay. The second is many people lived on the steep mountain paths of Mount Everest. बहुत सारे लोग माउंट एवरेस्ट के ढलावदार पहाड़ी रास्ते पर रहते थे. But it is wrong because only Buddhist monks lived on the steep mountain paths of Mount Everest. I am telling you orally, but if you have any problem, then I will tell you it tomorrow. Listen again. You will write here that only Buddhist monks lived on the steep mountain paths of Mount Everest. The spelling is Buddhist, Buddhist, and monks, monks, monks. Okay. Third number, Yetis walk on 4 legs. It is wrong. The right answer is Yetis walk on 2 legs. You can write easily. Next, Eric Shipton thought Yetis are light creatures. It is wrong because Eric Shipton thought Yetis are heavy creatures. The spelling of heavy is Heavy. Okay. And last, Yeti footprints are no longer found. Yeti's footprints are still being found. The meaning of Yeti's footprints are no longer found यानी बहुत समय से इनके footprints नहीं मिल रहे हैं. But the answer is the correct statement is Yeti's footprints are still being found. I think 1992 some scientists found the footprints of Yetis. In 1992 में कुछ scientists ने Yetis के footprints को mountain में देखा था. Okay, so once again I am going to repeat the answers. Many people lived on the steep mountain paths of Mount Everest. The answer is only Buddhist monk lived on the steep mountain paths of Mount Everest. Buddhist, Buddhist, monks, monks. Next, Yetis walk on 4 legs. Answer, Yetis walk on 2 legs. Eric Shipton thought Yetis are light creatures. Eric Shipton thought Yetis are heavy creatures. Heavy, heavy. Yeti footprints are no longer found. Answer, Yeti's footprints are still being found. STILL still and BEING being. Okay, and in this way you will complete this exercise in your book, not in notebook. आपको ये exercise book में करनी है, notebook में नहीं करनी है. Now we will do this exercise. Take a word from the first column, then find a word from the next column to make another word. There are 3 columns, and in 2 columns there are some words, and you will take one word from first column and second word from other column, and then make another word to write in third column. आपको क्या करना है, इसमें यहाँ पर 3 कॉलम्स दिए हुए हैं एंड 2 कॉलम्स में आपके कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हुए हैं. एक वर्ड आपको पहले कॉलम में से लेना है, दूसरा वर्ड दूसरे कॉलम में से लेना है और दोनों को मिला करके जो एक नया वर्ड बनेगा उसको तीसरे कॉलम में लिखना है। वन एग्जाम्पल इज डन फॉर यू। काइंड फर्स्ट कॉलम में से ले लिया, सेकंड में से हर्टेड एंड दोनों को मिला के क्या बन गया, काइंड हर्टेड, एंड वी राइट इन द थर्ड कॉलम। ओके, सेकंड नंबर वेल। वेल behaved, you will write well behaved. Third, old fashioned. Fourth, mouth watering. Next, good looking. And last word, famous. Listen again. Kind hearted, well behaved, old fashioned, mouth watering, good looking, word famous. In this way you will complete this exercise also in your book. Students, you will do this exercise and this exercise both you will do in your book, and tomorrow there will be a test of chapter 3rd. So I hope you will be ready for test, and on Saturday there will be a test of English grammar. So please prepare your chapters, verbs and adjective, and I will take some question from chapter noun, pronoun and types of noun. Okay, till then have a nice day.